YouTube, what is up? It is I, Devontae Grays, back at it again with another video. And today, I got some good news. I just got another sale from Lead Lightning yesterday around 11:20 a.m. As you can see, yes, I did get another sale before 2018 is out. So yes, that is good news. And I just wanted to just tell you guys, like, it is possible to do this. I know you may be looking at this like this is only like a little bit of money, but at least it gets your foot in the door and it leads you. It's a step in the right direction. It's a great first step into getting your feet wet in the online marketing. And then it just better your transition when you start getting higher commissions, because the small things add up very quickly. So just wanted to show you that. Also, after that sale, I did get another referral from Least Ad Space a couple of hours later. Um, so this guy, he registered for a free account in Lease Ad Space, and if he decides to buy a traffic package from Lease Ad Space, that instant Bitcoin commission will go to me, thanks to video marketing and content creation. So keep that in mind, and also traffic, having traffic coming in at all times, because even when people don't join you, even when you don't have to beg people, you're still having traffic coming in regardless of what happens. You still have traffic coming in, so that's always a plus. Saves you a lot of time. Saves you from having to beg people, having to market to people. Just start running some traffic in, and you're gonna start getting some results. And another thing about the automation, the autoresponder, is people actually reply to the messages from my autoresponder. So that's also a plus, just to show them that they are real messages being sent out to people and people are reading them. So yeah, this is all thanks to the $7 lead lightning investment. $7, you get a full generic marketing system, and people do actually reply back to your automated messages. So that's another plus. The price of Bitcoin is going up at the moment. That's kind of good. Not getting sidetracked here. But let me log in to the back office just to show you guys the behind the scenes actions. I still have my current balance of $2 in my Paylution accounts, and I can go to account, go to my money, let's go to commissions, and as you can see, for the week of this week, the sale came on the 26th, and I will get a payout next Wednesday, every Wednesday, so that is it. Hopefully, I wanted to run some more traffic to my Feature Ad Pro um, ads, but as you can see, sometimes Feature Ad Pro, they temporarily shut down. But this is only temporarily. This happens from time to time, so don't worry about that much. That would have been a great ending to this video, but that's fine. I really just wanted to show you guys some more results, some more proof that, hey, this program, people are actually earning money in the power lead system slash lead lightning, and I'm just a beginner. So you can definitely use me as a testimonial, if you will, to get yourself started with the last year being broke plan slash lead lightning. If you want to join me in anything, all the links will be in the description. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I will definitely see you on the inside. Peace.